Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix or how to recover uninstalled programs and apps on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to recover recently uninstalled programs or apps on your Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this or how to restore these options. First of all, you just to click on start menu, then type here system restore. Click on system restore, or you can just type restore. Then you need to click on create a restore point. Here you will find system restore. You just need to click on this, click on next. Here you will find multiple dates. In my case there is only showing one option, only one date it's showing. If in your case showing multiple dates, means 3 or 4 dates, you can select the older one when your application was installed and it was working fine. You can select that date, then click on next, then click on finish. Guys, after clicking finish it will take some time and the PC will be restarted. After restarting, your PC will be restored to previous when your application were installed. That's it guys. So in this way you can recover uninstalled programs and apps on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.